Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Tuesday, January 4th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. We found out yesterday that our calendar has equations on it with missing numbers, and we have to be detective to figure out what the missing numbers are. Let's see what's on today's card. Wow, that's a story problem. It says the kids had 7 balls. They lost some. Now they only have 4 balls. How many balls did they lose? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We can create an equation for this story problem. Let's go to our calendar grid. We'll put in our information and we'll try to figure this out together. We'll put in today's date. The kids had 7 balls. They lost some. We don't know how many they lost. But now they only have 4 balls. They had 7, they lost some, and now they have 4. Let's put this information in our number tree information as well. We know that one of the numbers is 7. We also know that one of the numbers is 4. Our job is to figure out what that other number could be. So we'll put the 4 there. So if we have 7 minus something equals 4, we have to figure out what that is. So if I have 7 and I lose some and I only end up with 4, that means that I would have, let's see, if I have 7 and I take 4 away, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. That's the answer to our story problem. Let's continue on with our activities now. And we're going to focus on our days in school. We are going to add another day. Oh my goodness. We have made it to a big number with our class. We've made it to the number, let's count it together before I say it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75 days together in school. Incredible. Incredible. So we'll change this information here so that it does show 75 here. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5 here. Then we have 60 plus 10, which is 70, plus 5 equals 75. Then we have all of our coins here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. We need to add another penny to make it 75. The next thing we're going to do is focus on collecting dimes and pennies this month. So we'll spin the spinner, and that will determine what we are collecting each day. Whoa, we have 2 dimes. Dimes are worth how much again? Did you say 10? Wow. So if we have 2 dimes, how much money do we have? 20 cents. Good job. We're going to continue to spin this each day to see how many dimes and pennies we can collect throughout an entire week. The last thing I'd like you to do is look at our number line. We have been working with number lines this school year and have been doing an amazing job of counting on a number line. Well, today, dears, my job for you is simply this. I would like you to count on the number line, counting by 5s. I will tell you this. You can use your number line, or if it helps you to pull up our information from our independent work and pull out our hundreds chart to count by 5s, you can do that as well. I'm going to pull up that independent work chart to make sure that we can count by 5s. Are you ready, class? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Fantastic job, dears. My challenge for you is I want you to pause this video, and the last activity I want you to do is to count backwards from 100 all the way up to the number 5, counting by 5s. I know you can do it, All Stars. I believe in you. Have fun. Bye.